Hey everyone, have you deleted any data from a smartphone or Android device by mistakenly or deliberately? How do you rescue of it? We will see live step by step with real demonstrations. By mistakenly, data has been deleted from especially these photos and of course in the photo and the videos that is very urgent, and by mistakenly it has been deleted by one especially customer who came at myself to the rescue of it. So yes, I'm the trying to the rescue, and how easily this can be rescued we will see live step by step with real demonstrations. Don't worry, in a case it's very important or essential for us. When someone who has stolen your device, then how do you the rescue of your data spontaneously? Yes, in a situation your device has been broken, or in a situation so occurs someone who has deliberately or mistakenly deleted your data from your smartphone or androids. Now how do you rescue we will see. So for everything, just we will go for especially run as administration, that is a stellar data recovery for androids. Yes, this especially tool has been designed to rescue all the data, either it is from the especially Google Drive, of course WhatsApp backup, or all the especially Android data that can be either it is from especially photos, videos, audios, messages, call history, contacts, and all the documents. Here we would like to rescue some the videos and the photos from the particular in this device, and I have already mentioned to you. See, there is no data, guys. So how do I? Yes, in this can be just we will select the space select the videos and the photos, and we will try to go for to the click on here. Just now see device has been connected easily. Just we will have to connect a data cable, that's all. So from your device, and now it has just started to scan, guys. We can see here, and it says scanning, and then of course we will try to rescue all the data. So easiest way ever. Now see, it's essential that show me and etc, and allow that, no problem at all. Just we will click on it. So again, so now see here it's taking a little bit time, so no problem at all. Just now see the we cam on here, and it has started to go for against, and now fine, since it's scanning, guys, we will have to wait here. Now see, selected Android device scanned successfully. Fine. Now what we will do here, it's a thing that you would like to save your data that you would like to, that you have the rescued that. So see here, I have kept in the browser options to desktop, so this will be easy to fetch and distribute or collect. So now just we will click on here. So now see, it has started to become, especially all the data on the front, so especially photos and the videos. Now it's taking a little bit time, and the further we will see especially is it really it has the risk or not. Okay, it has also detected on here that 11 photos is inside of this device, and especially videos is two videos is inside of that. So let's see. Now it is in a especially in the progress to save, so we will have to wait here. Now so all the detail is basically, guys, to know more detail about this tool, especially you can visit on this website, that is stellar4 dot especially comes. Now see here, yes, this is especially supporting Android version 62, especially latest one, the version especially 16, and of course by free of course 10 MB you can recover, and further of course you will have to especially go for registration of these tools, and spontaneous of course it will be able to support all the especially Android or smartphones device, including the Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, or of course Huawei. Now we can see here, yes, Xiaomi and OnePlus have all the devices in this can be rescued. So now just we will come and say here, see successfully it has been selected, and now we'll go for OK, and now see photos and videos. If we click on photos, two videos has been especially, now we can see photos, there is a lot of photos, 11 photos, that is especially of course individual of that especially customers. So we are not going to, but easiest way ever that you can rescue, guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. The further any inquiry, of course, I have a query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to reply your query. Thank you very much, and have a great time, guys. Bye bye.